Good morning and welcome to Charlotte Christian School. My name is Leslie Niesner and I'm the Director of Fine Arts at Charlotte Christian. I wish I could be there with you in person today, but right now I'm traveling on a bus with almost 90 of our upper school musicians down to a unique experience in Orlando, Florida. We'll there have an opportunity to record a live film score to the movie Trolls, learn all about sound effects and voiceovers and acting and potential professions in the arts. The Fine Arts at Charlotte Christian really share so much with the athletics, just like Andy shared with you a moment ago. We aim to disciple our students through the creative process and also do what we do with excellence. God has given us so many gifts in the creative realm, and He is the ultimate maker, capital M, the ultimate creator, and knowing that we are created in His image, He says that's not only good, but it's very good. So our top priority in the Fine Arts at Charlotte Christian, whether it's the curricular side or the co-curricular programming after school, is to first and foremost help your students know that they are made in His image and that it is good. To help them identify the creative skills that they have inside of them because of the way God's made them, and then to walk alongside them and shepherd them to not only grow those skills to excellence, but also grow closer in their faith along the way. The Fine Arts at Charlotte Christian are divided into 4 main branches: visual art, music, theater, and digital arts, which are classes like filmmaking, broadcasting, and digital photography. Whether your student is in junior kindergarten or 12th grade, we have a meaningful way for them to connect with the arts during the school day. In the early grades, they're going to be learning in an age-appropriate way through experimentation and play, while also using college preparatory words for things and processes. When we get to middle school, the options really expand into all 4 branches of the arts. We encourage students to try as many different things as they can. So when they arrive to upper school in 9th grade, they have an idea if, number 1, the arts really aren't their gifting and they want to spend time doing other things, if they know they want to continue to dabble in the arts over the next 4 years, or if they've really found their affinity and they want to dive deep. So you'll find beginner level courses, intermediate level courses, and all the way up to advanced placement courses in the arts with nearly 60 electives in the arts. On the co-curricular side, we have several honor societies for the arts. One is the National Art Honor Society. We also have the Tri-M Music Honor Society to grow leadership and help our students connect their gifts with the act of giving back to others. We also have 3 main stage musicals throughout the school year. We just closed our middle school musical, and we would invite you to come see Cinderella, our next main stage musical, in February. Andy's handing out some note cards right now that will help you connect with our box office manager to get some complimentary tickets. Andy and I always say it's nice when we roll out the red carpet here and you see us at our best, but we really think that that's who we are every day. Now, we're not perfect, but we invite you to either come to an athletic event this fall or to come to that musical and really experience who we are just day in and day out. Get a feel for our community. For the arts, you can see what excellence looks like in the arts in that main stage production of Cinderella. But we hope you could take advantage of that free ticket. We know that this process is important to you. We take it just as seriously as you do. Know that Andy and I are in prayer over your families. We were in your shoes not that long ago, both as parents with students here at this school. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.